Our felt roses come in 3 shapes and sizes, the full rose and then the 2 versions of the half rose. To assemble the full rose, you always want to start rolling it up from the outside of the spiral. Start rolling the petals around each other. This first section is creating the center of the rose, so you'll want to roll it fairly tight. Continue rolling along the spiral. As you go, the petals will naturally start to lay a little flatter. Keep rolling until you reach the end. What used to be the center of the spiral is now going to be the base that gets glued to hold the flower together. Once you're happy with the roll of the flower, add either a dab of hot glue or a large glue dot and press the center of the spiral into the bottom of the flower. This will hold everything in place. For the spiral half rose, you will assemble it exactly the same, starting from the outside of the spiral and rolling it up. Once you reach the center of your spiral, glue it together using the method of your choice. If you're using a glue dot, we recommend the small size. For the other style of half rose, there will be one end with a larger petal and one with a smaller petal. You want to start rolling from the small side. Then, when you get to the end, put your hot glue or glue dot on that larger petal to hold it in place. To create your own half roses, you can cut the full roses. Just look for that larger petal and be sure to cut just after it to create the 2 types of half rose. We often will add a felt leaf trio to our flowers. To do that, place a dab of hot glue or a large glue dot to the bottom and add your leaves. If you use the large glue dot to attach the leaf, there should be enough exposed glue dot to attach the flower to your project. If you used a hot glue gun or didn't add any leaves, you can use a dab of hot glue or another glue dot to add your flower to your project. For more flower and DIY tutorials, check out the Learn and Create page of our website.